And now we're having Ignite Talks, and Ignite Talks is a quite strict format. It's 5 minutes and 20 slides with 15 seconds on each slide, so pay attention. And our first speaker works at DNB, and she's here to tell us how a bank can get up in the air. So please welcome Gosia Krupa.
Hi, I'm Gosia. Tell me when it starts. Okay, just like. Okay, so hi, I'm Gosia, and I'm here to tell you one thing that I've learned while changing the CI/CD process for the bank. Because I don't know if you know, but DNB has now this project to become a technology platform with a banking license, and they're using cloud to put new projects to separate it from legacy systems. But as I joined the bank, turns out that at least CI/CD-wise, their projects, that was not cloud, that was like outer space, seriously. Projects had like a central account in which they had their Jenkinses, but were using code built in their development accounts. So basically like zero feedback about what's happening on your build. So basically shadow IT emerged, developers got creative, set up their rogue CI/CD instances, or ran builds against Jenkins masters. Of course, we decided that we need to unify that and take some control over the build process. And we chose Kubernetes because it sounded like a perfect platform, because we have so many technologies and use cases for our products that Kubernetes gives you just the Docker API, and you can build inside Docker containers. So basically, you don't have to rely on the OS and on its packages, because you bring them with your builder image. But we couldn't build in Kubernetes because EKS was not in Europe. Compliance would never let us build overseas. So we knew it's coming, but we didn't really know when, and we had to act as fast as possible. So we prepared the build infrastructure migration, having in mind that another migration will follow soon. So what we did is actually thinking about the future migration. We used plenty of Jenkins plugins, EC2 machines, and Terraform to create short-lived ephemeral EC2 instances running CoreOS. Because CoreOS, of course, has the same features as Kubernetes, just Docker API, no package manager. So basically, you build either against the Docker API or in your builder image. Container. And for builder images, we created base Docker images for basic technologies that we support, Java, Python, Go, whatever, and building tools like Gradle, Maven, Bazel, whatever. On top of that, projects can build their own builders. So basically, bring their cache, bring their colors to the builders. So basically, the whole infra is ready to jump to Kubernetes. We also encouraged developer teams to actually get rid of the infra code from their Jenkins pipelines and basically keep them simple and keep build scripts separately. But Jenkins pipelines are fun. You can call so many plugins. You can get rid of all the logic, but eventually they become like that. But you just need to learn Jenkins DSL, need to learn Groovy, need to know Jenkins internals. Why is this script actually not executed from this step, and why can it be executed elsewhere? So we put effort to build a lot of shared libraries, and we're actually still building them, to make common build steps for common technologies. So basically, what it means that, say we have written a shared build Maven step. If the different teams use it, we actually, switch the infrastructure to Kubernetes, just one commit and it's done. They don't have to update their pipelines. And then we thought, build tools are cool, but do you really need to use all their potential? Really, how about you just make CI/CD a contract between your developer teams and your platform team? Because who said you need to write Jenkins files to run Jenkins jobs at all? You can actually define it in a YAML file and write smart parsers if you have good developers on the platform team. Basically, that YAML file can later on be actually translated to, say, a GitLab CI file. You can even change the underlying build tool. So basically, this is the thing. Write the contract between developers and platform, and don't write the tool contract with the tool. Make the tool validate the contract. That's my point. Thank you.